Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you two separate DIY tutorials. The first one, it's going to be a cake stand, and all you're going to be needing is a burner cover set, a candle holder. Both of these you can find them at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using some chalk spray paint, and that one you can find it at Walmart. Okay, so the first step, I am going to start spray painting the top of the lid. So I also went ahead and spray painted all of the candle holder. Okay guys, so I let the spray paint dry at least 3 hours, and I went ahead and put both of the items together with some E6000 before I went off to bed. That way the next morning I wouldn't have any problems with them coming apart. This is going to be the second DIY tutorial. I'm going to do a little makeover to this and make it a little bit rustic so I can use it. We'll see how that comes out. Okay, so with the second DIY, I went ahead and spray painted all of the outside of the basket. I also spray painted all of the inside of the basket. I did this at night so that way the next morning it would be completely dry. The next morning, once it was all done drying, I went ahead and put together with some twine. I tried to completely cover all of the basket. I'm not going to show the whole video. I'm just going to show you the after, how it's looking so far, because it will take a while to completely cover it with the twine. So it took me at least 30 minutes to put all the twine around the basket, but this is the finishing look. Okay, so with some chalk paint, I decided to go with like a little fade. In the bottom, I went like super dark, but then once it was getting to the topper, it went lighter and lighter. You can either leave the twine like that or do something different like what I'm doing.